Alright, we're recording. This is going to be 7.62 by 51 full metal jacket. Prone shot. Proned out. Let's see what it did. Might have to take the zoom off. Alright, what do we got here? We got a hole and a big hole. We got. Damn, you can see through this bitch. Look, I can see. Yeah, look at that. That was clean. Damn, blew the whole ass into that bitch out. Alright. See what it did to this one. Damn. Alright, I guess it ate this one. It stayed in this one. 2.5 camcorders. That ain't bad. There's the head. Oh, I see where it stopped at. Blew the head out of it. Stuck in the head. That was a head. Alright. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. All kinds of junk in there. Spare parts. That ain't bad. First. That's why it ain't got no head. Went right through the head. Boom. Alright, and that's all it did. Well, that was fun.